Assigning tasks in Microsoft Planner is simple and ensures efficient task management and team collaboration. Here's how to assign tasks in Planner. Create a new task. Open Microsoft Planner and navigate to the relevant plan. In the board view, click on the plus Add Task button under the appropriate bucket. Enter a task name, set a due date, and provide a description. Assign the task to team members. After creating the task, click on it to open the task details. Under the Assign section, click on the team member you want to assign the task to. You can select multiple people for a single task if needed. If the person you want to assign is not listed, click Assign and select their name from the list of team members. Set task priority and add details. You can also add priority labels to help team members prioritize tasks. Attach files, links, or comments to provide more context about the task. Save and notify. Once the task is assigned, click Save. Assigned team members will automatically receive a notification in Planner and through email about the task.